Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play No Second Prize on the Amiga. This was released by Thalion in 1992 and this is a motorcycle racing game. In the same year it was released on Atari ST also. As you can see, this has very impressive 3D graphics. So this is running on a all-30 machine, but Amiga 1200, but the graphics are almost as smooth on Amiga 500. A little bit choppier, but very impressive indeed. So let's have a look at the intro for a while. Yeah, here's the title. So, in the first screen we can see information about the different tracks. There are 20 tracks in total, and there are lots of recognizable tracks, real tracks, like Hockenheim, Silverstone, Oldton Park, Branch Hatch, Laguna Seca and more. And there also you can see the records of each track. So in the season you can drive against 5 opponents and you get points by winning. Winning gives you 3 points, second place gives you 2 points and third place gives you 1 point. Giving up gives you a minus point, it seems. Let's go to training and race one track here. And you can also choose one of 6 different characters, and each of them has different abilities. Acceleration and speed, and how good they are in the curves. And then HP body and HP Mac. So I'll take Fabrizio. And let's go to the Chiswick. All drivers and manual gearbox. So acceleration happens by pressing the right mouse button. Oh. And you brake by pressing the left mouse button. Then if you are driving with the manual gearbox, then you need to push left shift for upper gear and left alt for a lower gear. So the training means that we drive 5 laps in one track. I guess it's, well, I don't know. Can't remember the amount of laps on other tracks. Because There are very long tracks also. This is one of the shortest tracks where you can drive one lap in 1 minute or less actually. This is quite a simple track in that there are no sharp turns at all, so you don't have to use much brakes on this track. You can drive on the 6th gears for the whole track. Two laps remaining. Speed is not very realistic on the bottom. You see that these are going at 300 kilometers per hour, so oh, so I'm almost dead actually. Crashed into a wall with 300 kilometers per hour speed. Oh, okay, so it's possible to crash completely. So I didn't win. Anyway, that's how it looks and sounds. Very impressive 3D graphics and nice music in the menu. A little bit on the easy side, I think. Even though I crashed completely. But doesn't really. I could have driven a little slower because I was so much ahead of the competition. But anyway, it's a fun game it's a fun game. So, thanks for watching.